Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hi! Welcome to our biology class. This is me, Teacher Rina. Join me in our tour towards learning about cell and the cell theory. Wherever you look, there are living things such as trees, birds, and flowers. All living things have different sizes, shapes, and characteristics, but they have one thing in common. Do you know what that is? The commonality is that they are all made of cells. Close your eyes and picture a brick wall. What is the basic building block of that wall? A single brick, of course. Like a brick wall, your body is composed of basic building blocks known as cells. Cells perform a huge number of different roles within your body. For example, epithelial cells protect the outside surface of the body as part of the skin and cover the organs and body cavities within. Bone cells build up bones to provide support for the body. Cells of the immune system fight invading bacteria. Blood and blood cells carry nutrients and oxygen throughout the body while removing carbon dioxide. Each of these cell types play a vital role in the growth, development, and day-to-day maintenance of the body. But first, we will take a quick peek at cell theory and at how cells were first discovered. Let us dig deeper into how these microscopic organisms came to be. It all started with the first person to observe cells as microscopic structures, the British scientist named Robert Hooke. As he was looking at a piece of cork under his microscope, he saw box-like structures or little chambers which reminded him of cells or the rooms monks slept in their monasteries. In his book Micrographia, he coined the term cell. But the cells that Hooke observed, however, were in dead tissue and were in fact cell walls left behind after the death of real cells. The first person to observe living, moving cells was Anton van Leeuwenhoek, a Dutch shopkeeper and crafter of lenses. In the 1670s, inspired by Hooke's book, he began to build his own, more powerful microscopes. With this, he was able to observe living, single-celled organisms such as bacteria and sperm cells, which he collectively called animalcules, because they look like little animals to him. Despite the discovery that cells existed, it took quite some time for scientists to realize that they weren't just an odd fringe case, but rather the essential building blocks of all plants, animals, and other living things. In fact, it wasn't until the 1830s that botanist Matthias Kleiden and zoologist Theodor Swan put forth a revolutionary idea that all different parts of plants and animals are made of cells. A German scientist, Rudolf Virchow, later added to his theory by stating that all cells must come from mother cells. However, he appeared to have actually stolen this idea from a Polish scientist named Robert Remak, which led to the feud of both scientists. The ideas of all these early thinkers are summarized in modern cell theory, which states that first, all living things are composed of one or more cells. Second, the cell is the basic unit of life. And third, new cells arise from pre-existing cells. That's it! The cell theory therefore became an important part of biology today. Before we part ways, I hope you learned something from our journey. See you on our next topic discussion.